behind you. Right.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. I know most of you here, and those I don't know, I know already today. This is the start of a very long period. It really is a crusade. Sabi nila, Attorney Kapunan, bakit naman kayo tatakbo? Ang dami-daming re-electionist, ang dami-daming kilala. Kayo naman, kilala naman kayong lawyer, pero lawyer ng controversial cases. Ang sagot ko dyan, parang bumibili ka ng sweepstakes ticket. Hindi ka mananalo. You will never win a lottery. And you will never win a sweepstakes ticket pag hindi kayo bumili ng ticket. Ganon. Kanya, pag natalo kayo, huwag kayong mabwisit kasi hindi kayo bumili ng ticket. And that is what I am presenting to all of you. I am that ticket of hope. And if you don't buy that ticket of hope, wag po tayong magalit, wag po nating sabihin, wala nang pag-asa ang bayan natin. I am offering an agenda of hope, an agenda of hope. H is for H is for honest government. O is for opportunity for all, selectiveness to none. P is for peace and prosperity, and E is for education and environment in a sustainable development. So that is what I am here for. I am running for an agenda of hope. I filed as action. We are reviving the party of Senator Raul Roco, and action is going to align with the Grace Cheese tandem. Yun lang po. Sabi nila, LPK, yung initials ko po, Lorna Patao Kapunan, stands for Laban para sa Karapatan. Karapatan po natin ang magkaroon ng edukasyon. Karapatan po natin ang magkaroon ng kabuhayan. Karapatan po natin ang magkaroon ng hustisya. Karapatan natin ang magkaroon ng trabaho. Karapatan natin ang magkaroon ng hustisya. So, laban para sa karapatan, Attorney Lorna Kapunan, buy that ticket, I am your hope. Maraming salamat po.